This video will showcase a quick walkthrough of how to use the Buildings Week platform. To access the platform, ensure you have activated your account and then look for a welcome email in your inbox from hello@swapcard.com. Click the button in this email to log in and access Buildings Week. After logging in, you will be directed to this homepage where you can access all aspects of the virtual event. The first thing you want to do is update your personal profile. Click on the drop-down arrow in the top right corner beside your name. Click My Profile and follow the instructions to edit and complete your profile. Back on the home page, you can use the navigation tabs at the top of the page or the buttons on the center of the page to access different areas of the event. Under the homepage buttons, we have also listed the how-to videos to help you navigate the event. You will find your personal Buildings Week schedule under My Event. Here, you will see all of the sessions that you've registered for, the meetings that you've booked, the networking connections that you've made, and the companies or products that you've favorited or added to your wish list. Make sure you spend time during Preview Week building out your schedule and planning your event. Networking is where you find and access your peers and other attendees at Buildings Week. You will see at the top people recommended for you, and then people who are currently online. Underneath is a list of attendees with a search filter on the left side. Once you find someone you would like to connect with, click into their profile, and then click Send Connection Request. Once they accept your request, you can message or video chat with this contact. Clicking on Exhibitors brings you to a full list of exhibiting companies. You can search for specific companies and keywords, or filter on the left-hand side by category or by event. Click into an exhibitor profile to view more information, products, and documents, as well as chat with the company representatives or book a meeting. Many of the exhibitor profiles you'll see have a chat bar on this right-hand side. Alternatively, if you scroll to the bottom, you can chat directly with specific company representatives. The marketplace is where you find all the exhibitor products. You can search for specific products in the left side search or filter by category or event. Click on any product for more information. From here, you can also save products in your wish list and then view them later under My Event. Clicking on Seminars brings you to a full list of Buildings Week seminars. You can toggle to view content from each day of the event at the top of the screen. Remember that to watch the sessions you have registered for, you access from this My Event tab. You can register for and add more sessions at any point throughout our registration platform, MicroSpec. Next is the Speakers tab, where you will see profiles for all the speakers at Buildings Week. Under the Features tab, you can access our partner events, roundtables, and special event experiences, including social hours, quick fitness tips, and food and lifestyle videos. Demonstrations area hosts free Buildings Week demo content. Click into the demo you're interested in, and then click on the Register button. This will ensure that the demo shows up in your My Event schedule. The Career Hub showcases open job opportunities in the industry. Join us in one of our chat rooms to connect and discuss curated topics with colleagues, exhibitors, and speakers alike. Keep up to date with the latest industry publications and podcasts here. We also have a media room where you can find the latest press release. If you have any questions, check out the help desk. Here you can find FAQs, the attendee quick start guide, and other how-to videos. There's also a live support chat. That is the overview of this platform. Enjoy your time at Buildings Week.